Hi, it's me, Dr. Prasad Pudil. I'm continuing my classes on sets, class number 6, that is learning mathematics with me. On my YouTube channel, My Intuition, offering regular classes as well as entrance coaching classes on chemistry and learning mathematics. So, class number 6, subsets. So, subset, if a set X is said to be a subset of set Y, if every element of X is also an element of Y. Okay, so all element of X is a part of element Y, then X is a subset of Y. Understood. So it is represented as, a symbol is used. It is used as X is a subset of Y, or X is contained in Y. Because a simple represent is a subset of X is a subset of Y. So we'll read X is a subset of Y. If X is not a subset of Y, X is not a subset of Y. Okay, that is simple. So X is a subset of Y if an element A belongs to both X and Y. Okay, same thing. X is a subset of Y if whenever A belongs to X, then A belongs to Y. X is a subset of Y if the element A X implies that A is also an element of Y. Okay, X is a subset of Y if A belongs to X implies A belongs to Y. Okay, X is a subset of Y if A belongs to X implies A belongs Y. X is a subset of Y if A belongs X implies A belongs Y. That is what mentioned previous slide. So not only the element A, but also every element of set X is in set Y. Okay, so that is the meaning. Okay, so not only an element of say A, whatever element present in set X should be there in Y also. Then only X is a subset of Y. So every element of set Y may not be in X. Okay, so the reverse it is not possible. All elements in Y may not be in X, but few elements in Y are also present in X. Okay, whereas all elements of X is present in Y. So X is a subset of Y and Y is a subset of X. Okay, if all elements of Y is also present in X, then X equal to Y. Or we can say that that particular symbol is if and only if. That means if X is a subset of Y and Y is a subset of X, if and only if X is equal to Y. Okay, or also you can write if X is a subset of Y and Y is a subset of F, if X equals Y. Set X is a subset of itself. Okay, so X is a subset of X. Okay, the set of X is a subset of its own set. That's also correct. Empty set phi or null set is a subset of every set. Yeah, that is also okay. Empty set can be treated as a subset of any set. If X is a subset of Y and X is not equal to Y, then X is a proper subset of Y. Okay, so X is a subset of Y and the elements present in X are not equal to the element present in Y, then X is a proper subset of Y. Okay, and Y is a super subset of X. Okay, Y is a superset. So proper subset and superset, that two meanings comes. So in that case, X is a subset of Y, X is a proper subset, Y is a superset. If a set X has only one element, we call it singleton set. Singleton set, only one element is there. Consider three sets X, Y, and Z. If X belongs to Y, Y is a subset of Z, then X is not a subset of Z. Okay, check it out. Let X is equal to set A, Y is equal to set of set A and B as elements, and Z is a set with elements set A, element B, element C. Okay, therefore these three examples, if you consider, x is x belongs to y as x equal to set A. Okay, the set A is there in Y. Okay, so the x belongs to Y. Y is a subset of set as the set A and B both are present in Z also. So the set A, B both are present in Z also. Okay, belongs to Z also. Therefore, Y is a subset of Z. That is also correct. X is not a subset of Z as A belongs to X and A does not belongs to Z. Okay, element A belongs to X, whereas element A is not belonging to Z. That is set of A. That subset A is belongs to Z, not element A. Okay, therefore we can say that element the set A belongs to Z. Therefore, A does not belong to Z. Therefore, X is not a subset of Z. That is correct. Set of natural numbers n is a subset of set of integers z. By definition, set of integers z is a subset of set of rational numbers q. By definition, set of rational numbers q is a subset of set of real numbers r. Okay, so we are following a series n z z q q r. Okay. Now we're deviating. Set of irrational numbers T is a subset of R, which is set of real numbers. Set of natural numbers N is not a subset of set of irrational numbers T. Okay, so from that series N, Z, Q, R, N is a subset of Q also. N is a subset of R. Z is a subset of R. So these are the information from subset. Thank you very much. Learning mathematics with me. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and support. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.